We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes E-Class AMG Sport just in time for the summer. These will only go up in value at the moment. It's just the start of the Cabriolet season. Unmarked, smoked chrome alloy wheels. Fishing lovely grey metallic. As you can see, it's absolutely gleaming. Got the rear park distance control, the twin exhaust with the AMG styling diffuser on the rear. AMG alloy wheels. Absolutely lovely condition throughout. Two seats in the back. Just at the back so you can see electric windows, electric mirrors. Rare manual 6-speed gearbox. It's an 82,089 miles. It's got cruise control. It's got satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats, climate control. That is very cold as well. I've just had it on. Got full media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, automatic headlights, cruise control. Just in all-round beautiful condition. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.